Hi dear friends, dear students, welcome to Gallant IAS and welcome back to our terminology series. In this civil service exam preparation, two things are important for every aspirant. First, be it any subject or any topic, you should have a good understanding of the concept. A good understanding of the concept is very important here. Second thing is, once you understood the concept, then give multiple revisions. Multiple revisions. That is also very important in this exam preparation. Now here, from history, UPSC repeatedly asked questions, terms related questions already asked by UPSC. Taniyur, Eripatti, Gediga, lots of questions already. Arahatta, lots of questions UPSC already asked. So here, Buddhism terminology, Jainism terminology, Mauryan age terminology, Sangam age, Gupta age, or maybe it is medieval India terminology, all these are very important for you. Today we will be dealing with the Sangam age terminology. Yeah, very important terms we are dealing here. Adults, the ruling class. Ruling class. Why you should study this Sangam age? Because Sangam literature that gives the earliest history of South India, the political, economic, social, cultural history of South India given by this Sangam literature. So Sangam age, Sangam literature, which is from 300 BC to 300 AD, and we have seen the very recent archaeological excavations also. Different historians' interpretations about this particular Sangam age. Okay. So that Sangam age you have to study, Sangam literature you have to study, that is important for UPSC exam. Now here, this is ruling class, Arasar is ruling class, Orar or Arar, this is Pais. The king is always assisted by 5 councils which we already studied, you can refer my Sangam video. Okay, 5 councils. Amature is the council of ministers, Amature. Okay, Andanar Purohida, that is the council of priest. Dudar is envoys, then this Senapati, that is commander or commander-in-chief of army. Then this order means spies. Then there is Karai, Karai means land tax. Karai is land tax. Perundaram, Sirundaram, these are 2 terms mostly used in these imperial Chola times. Imperial Chola times, you know, Perundaram is a higher official. Higher administrative official is called Perundaram, and Sirundaram is a lower official. Then Eripatti, you should understand, this is Tang land. Okay, the Tang land, revenue from this particular land is used for the maintenance of the public tank. This is the land which has that public tank, and revenue from this particular land is used for the maintenance of the public tank. Okay, then Kanigair means those who perform dances. Those who perform dances, they are called Kanigair. Okay, Kanigair. And Kadamai means this is duties paid to king. Duties paid to king is called Kadamai. Nadugal is this is hero stone. Hero stone worship. Okay, stones are erected in memory of this great, or that is to celebrate the bravery of the soldiers. Okay, so that the hero stone worship was also central to this Sangam religion, Sangam culture. So Nadugal is a hero stone. Then away is the court of the king. Okay, then this Mandalam means the entire Sangam empire. Sangam empire is called the kingdom is called Mandalam, and Nadu means it is province. Nadu is province or is huge village. Okay, now here Kadure is the deity of the forest. Deity of the forest. Vedar is hunters. Vedar means hunters. Then Kuravar is hilly tribes. Okay. Then Velalar, they are peasants. rich peasants, Velalars. Then Panar means they are wandering bards. Okay, wandering bards or musicians, singers. Okay, they are Panar. Then Vanigar is like a group of traders. They are traders. Then Kurinji, this is 5 economic divisions, economic zones. Kurinji is hilly tracts. Okay, hilly tracts, hilly zone, hilly region is called Kurinji. Then Mullai is, this is pastoral land. This is pastoral land. Marudam is agricultural land. Agricultural land is Marudam. Neidal is a coastal region, coastal. This is coastal region. Pallai is desert region. That is desert region. Okay. So these are some very important terms you must know when you study this Sangam age. Okay. These are some important terms which is important from exam point of view. You have to study while you prepare this Sangam age or Sangam literature. Okay. So stay tuned. And please do subscribe our channel for more videos, for more concepts, for more content. And stay tuned, stay positive, enjoy your preparation, follow a regular weekly timetable, monthly timetable, schedule of your revision classes, etc. Every day on regular basis, you try full test, solving full test. Okay, that's it. Thank you.